So what's all the hype about the Cirque du Soleil shows on board ship? Is it worth paying the money? Well, my opinion comes up soon. Hi, I'm Jan Obridge, I'm the cruise queen. I've never been to a Cirque du Soleil on board ship, and some of the MSC ships, the newer MSC ships, does have Cirque du Soleil shows, and you can purchase a ticket to go. You can either get a show and a free cocktail. You don't actually get a choice of cocktails, it's just a couple to choose from, or you can get the Cirque du Soleil show and a meal. And we were treated to a Cirque du Soleil show with a drink. Now, it just happened, of course, we were on the inaugural cruise, and so things weren't up and running as you might expect. So we didn't get to go when we wanted to. You have to go and book, because it does get booked up fast, and it's not a very big area. It's not held in the theatre. It's held in a kind of a bar area that's got a round stage bit, and you have to line up to go in. So you have to purchase a ticket, then have to go and book your show, and there are a couple of areas on ship where you can do that, book the one that you're going to, and then you have to line up to get in. So once you're in, well, we went, the cocktail was fine, we sat and waited quite a long time for it to start, and I know everyone's different, and a lot of people loved it. I just didn't get it, quite honestly. I thought there was nothing to it. There was a lot of wacky stuff going on. There were acrobatics, and some of them were good, but I have to say, no better than I've seen on the main stage in the theatre. There's a lot of weird music, a lot of flashing lights and dark lights. I didn't get the story. It was all right. So some people raved about it, but then some people rave about other things that we've seen it, done it many times, and so therefore we're not so impressed. But you know, I'm glad we went. I was told that the other show would have been better, but we didn't get a choice. That was the only one we had a choice of. So I don't even know which one it was. I just know that we went to whatever was available. And I was a bit underwhelmed, really. But that's my opinion. Lots and lots of people love Cirque du Soleil. I'm just as happy in the main theatre, to be honest. So it's up to you. Feel free to disagree with me. This is my opinion. If you liked my opinion or didn't like my opinion, but you're happy with me telling you what I consider to be the good, the bad and the ugly, then of cruising, then click the like button, hit this little round symbol for the subscribe, or hit the subscribe button and the notification bell below, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video where you may or may not agree with me. So I'm Jan Obridge, I'm the cruise queen. Have a brilliant week. Bye.